Summer's here and it's time to hit the road. But is your car ready for all those summertime adventures? Don't let car trouble put a damper on your summer fun. At CarTech Plus, we have the perfect pre-owned vehicle you need to hit the ground running this summer. We offer a wide selection of reliable cars, trucks, and SUVs, including fuel-efficient sedans for comfortable cruising, spacious SUVs for family adventures, powerful trucks for hauling summer gear including your boat, and everything in between. CarTech Plus, your summer ride awaits. Plus, we make financing your dream car easy and affordable, no matter your credit situation. Our state-of-the-art service bays are staffed with expert technicians to keep your vehicle running smoothly all summer long. Don't wait! Visit CarTech Plus today and get ready to make this summer unforgettable. Call us at CarTech Plus 603-974-7969. Let Jeff know what type of make and model you want this summer. Or stop in today and get a great summer deal. We are located at 77 Plaistow Road Plaistow, New Hampshire. We are open for your convenience, Monday, Friday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Come on down and see why people choose CarTech Plus.